There are common everyday methods to make money, like selling products on e-commerce platforms, doing affiliate marketing, starting a YouTube channel, doing print on demand, starting a brick and mortar business, or investing. These are pretty standard methods, but there are also some novel, unconventional, and even weird ways to make money online, and I'll be revealing them in this video. My name is Charles. Let's make money. The first unusual method is through virtual babysitting. Okay, I know this might sound strange at first, but it's actually a brilliant idea, especially in this digital world where almost everything is done online. Virtual babysitting is exactly what it sounds like, babysitting kids online. So instead of being physically present with the children, you engage with them through a screen, and this can be done via platforms like Zoom, Skype, or specialized babysitting websites. Okay, I'll be sharing one with you. Now, to get started, head over to this website, virtualbabysittersclub.com. It's a popular platform for virtual babysitting. Now, this website connects babysitters with families who need someone to entertain and engage their kids online. Now, when you get to the website, fill out the application form with your personal details and any relevant experience that you have. So, since you'll be working with children, expect a thorough review process, including a background check. Once your profile is approved, you go through an onboarding process. This involves learning about the platform's policies, communication methods, and the type of activities you can do with these kids. Now, after onboarding, you can set your availability, and the good thing about this job is that it is very flexible, so you can choose the hours that work best for you. What does it involve? Virtual babysitting involves engaging and entertaining kids. You might need to do activities like magic shows, perform simple magic tricks to amaze the kids, do balloon arts, or show them how to make different shapes using balloons and stuff like that. You also need to read books or tell stories to keep them entertained, guide them through easy arts and crafts projects, or play games that can be done virtually. This side hustle can pay you up to $30 per hour. So if you love working with kids and you have a knack for entertaining, this could be the perfect side hustle for you. So if you go to this website and you're not satisfied, you can go to Fiverr and post a gig. There are gigs on virtual babysitting, or go to Upwork and look for something like that. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe. There are a lot of helpful videos on this channel. If you're new, smash the subscribe button. Let's go. Another unconventional way to make money online is through gigwork.com. Now, this website connects you with businesses that need small tasks completed, allowing you to earn money on your own schedule. Now, the great thing about gig work is a simple and effective way to make extra income, and all you need is just a smartphone. To get started, download the Gigwork app from the App Store or Google Play Store and create an account. You need to provide some basic information and link your PayPal account to receive payments, or set up other payments method. Now, once your account is set, you can start browsing the available gigs in your area. Now, the app displays a map with various tasks that need to be completed, and you can choose the one that interests you. After selecting a gig, apply for it and wait for the assignment. Each gig comes with specific instructions and requirements that you need to follow. The task can range from taking photos of product displays in stores, or verifying prices and availability of the items. Once you complete the task, submit your work through the app for review, and if everything is done correctly, you'll get paid immediately. Okay, so gig work offers a variety of tasks, keeping the work interesting and diverse. You might find yourself conducting retail audits, ensuring products are correctly placed and promotional materials are displayed properly. Another tasks include product verification, mystery shopping, event monitoring, and many audits. So each of these gigs varies in complexity and duration, with some tasks taking a little as 5 minutes and others requiring some few hours. One of the significant benefits of gig work is the flexibility. Now, this type of unusual task is very flexible. You can choose when and where to work, making it an ideal side hustle for people with busy schedules. And the pay is also attractive. It's not that bad. The pay ranges from $10 to $300 per gig, depending on the complexity and the time required to complete that gig. Now, what about payments? Payments are made through PayPal, typically within a few days of completing a gig, allowing you to receive your earnings quickly. To get started with gig work, you need to download the app and register an account, and then link your PayPal account set up your payments and all that. So gig works have a lot of opportunities for you to choose from. So you can do this in your own time. There are a lot of unconventional ways to make money on gig works. The next unusual way to make money is by becoming a virtual friend online. This site is pretty easy. It's pretty awesome and unique way to make money online. Essentially, it's a platform where you get paid to be someone's virtual friend. Whether people need someone to chat with, share their thoughts, or get advice, or just, have friendly conversation, you can be that person for them. It's like just being a professional buddy. So here's how you make money with this platform. You sign up on rentacyberfriend.com, create an engaging profile, set up your hourly rate, and then people can book time with you for various types of conversations. It could be anything from casual chats about hobbies and interests to more specific topics where you offer your expertise or support. Let's go deeper on the unusual ways on this platform to make money. Beyond the typical chatting, there are some really creative ways to make extra cash, like language practice. If you're fluent in multiple languages, you can help people practice their language skills, and this can be really fun and rewarding, especially if you love teaching about different languages or learning about different cultures. Another interesting thing you can do on this website to make money is virtual tours. Now, it's crazy that people will pay you to take them on a virtual tour. You can offer to take people on virtual tours of city or favorite places and all that. You can use video calls to show them around and share interesting facts and stories. Now, it is a unique way for people to explore new places from the comfort of their home. Another one is event companionship. You can be a virtual companion for someone attending an online event, like a webinar, a virtual conference, or even a virtual concert. You can discuss the event in real time, making the experience more interactive and enjoyable for them. There are some people that want someone to attend an event with them and they pay them for that. And these events are virtual events. Now, the next is team conversations. You can also offer themed chats, like discussing your favorite movie characters, discussing books or even niche topics like astrology or gaming and stuff like that. So this can attract people with specific interests who are looking for someone to share their passion. There are a lot of people out there that are alone. They are lonely. They want to talk to people. They want to engage to someone, chat with someone about things that they love. And they are ready to pay to chat with people. As for the earnings, how much can you really make from this platform? It varies depending on your rate and how much time you dedicate. On average, people make around $10 to $30 per hour. But some can even earn more if they offer specialized services and build a strong reputation. So if you enjoy meeting new people and have some spare time, give it a try and start connecting with people from all over the world. The next unusual way to make money is by selling feet photos, exactly as it sounds like. Taking a picture of your feet and selling it to people. Now, there's a platform where you can sell pictures of your feet. It might sound like, oh, it's a bit weird, but there's actually a decent market for it. Whether it's for artistic purposes, fashion, or other interests, people are willing to pay you for your unique food photos. To get started, go to feedpics.com, sign up, create a profile, and start uploading your food photos. You can set your own prices and sell directly to buyers. It's straightforward, okay? And you get to control what you sell and how much you charge. Now, let's go a bit deeper into the unusual ways to earn money on this platform, okay? See, you can offer custom photos based on specific requests from buyers. This could include different poses, themes, or settings and stuff like that. Personalized content makes more money. You can also do food modeling for products. Some people need food photos for showcasing their products like shoes, socks, jewelry, and all that. So you can collaborate with small businesses or individuals who need high quality food modeling shots. Another way to make money here is through themed photo sets. Create themed sets of food photos like holiday themes, beach scenes, or different nail art designs, like different designs, different themes. Themed sets can attract collectors and people who are looking for something specific. Another way to make money on this website is by food care tutorials. You share tips and tutorials on food care, nail art, or foot health. A lot of people want to take care of their feet properly, and you can show them how to do it. You can sell photo guides or even create video content if you're comfortable with it. Providing valuable content can attract a wider audience. Subscription services is another way of earning more on this platform. You set up a subscription model where followers pay a monthly fee for exclusive content, and this can include behind the scenes looks or special themed photos or early access to new upload. You can also do collaborations, partner with other creators for joint projects. For example, you can do a photo series with another food model, or collaborate with a photographer who specializes in food photography. Collaborative projects bring more buyers. It can bring more buyers and higher sales. How much can you make from selling fit photos? It varies based on how much time and how much creativity that you put into it. On an average, users can make anywhere from $50 to several hundreds of dollars a month. Some top sellers who really focus on customization and unique content can make more. So it's all about optimizing your content to get more sales. Another unconventional way to earn money is by providing professional cuddling services. This platform is where people can book trained cuddle practitioners for platonic therapeutic cuddling sessions. It's about offering comfort, connection, and support in a safe and respectful environment. And here's how you make money with Cuddlist. You sign up at cuddlist.com to become a certified cuddlist, complete their training program, and create a profile showcasing your services. Clients can then book sessions with you and you get paid for your time. It's a unique way to offer emotional and physical support to those who need it. Let's get into the unusual ways to earn money on this platform. You can also offer specialized themed cuddle sessions like relaxation cuddles with soothing music. You can book reading cuddles where you read to the client, or movie night cuddles where you watch a favorite film together. Specializing in unique experiences can attract more clients. You can also offer group cuddles, organize small group cuddle sessions or group cuddle workshops, and this can be great for friends or small groups looking to experience the benefits of therapeutic touch together in a safe environment. You can offer your services for events or parties. For example, you can provide cuddle services at a wellness retreat, corporate event, or even private parties. Now, for those who are not comfortable with in-person sessions, there are live cuddle sessions for people who live far away. If you want to do it online and people who pay for it, you can offer virtual cuddle consultations, and this can also include guided relaxation, talking through cuddle techniques, showing the different techniques, cuddling techniques, or maybe providing a comforting presence through the video call. Now, as for the earnings, how much can you earn? It varies depending on the rate and how much session that you book. On an average, Cuddlists charge between $60 to $100 per hour, so people really make money from this. With regular clients and specialized services, some practitioners can earn several hundreds to a few $1,000s a month. So if you're a compassionate person who loves helping other people feel connected and comforted, Cuddlist offers a unique and a rewarding way to make a living. It's all about spreading warmth and positivity. Guys, feel free to try these weird, unusual ways to make money online, okay? If this is your first time on this channel, subscribe. There are a lot of helpful videos on this channel. If you have questions or you need help, just drop it in the comment section. Like and share this video to someone that needs it, okay? Someone wants to hear this, share this video, and I'll see you in this video.